Hello friends, we are starting our Organized Self-Employment Ministry 32 session. In this session, we will try to understand that Organized Self-Employment Ministry budget is the requirement of today, because Organized Self-Employment Ministry will give us the path to develop our life in the organized way by the fiscal credit table, because the fiscal credit table is a unique concept of self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. It is a organized path for the beginner who wants to earn, because in this I am speaking from the Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. In this organized self-employment ministry, the united principle is right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right. We should have the constitutional working life between 0 to 18 and 18 to 58 year for all. We have to understand that if we will start working by the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing system, we will become self-employment government servant. I am trying to explain you this organized self-employment ministry budget concept from my house, room number Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. From my residence, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126. We have to first of all understand the praying system of this, from where the rays are coming. First of all, by the document system, Shiv Puran, the rays are coming from Kailash Dham, the Shiv Shakti Mandir, 12 Shiv Shakti Mandir and Jyotir Mandir, and 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir. Then the Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita Mandir, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, and on that basis the rays are coming from the Vaikund and Kshir Sagar Dham. Then the third one is the ISBN. The ISBN is the Brahma Saraswati Puran, the different Hindu writers who has written 175 crore books. My Truth Only Terms ISBN number is 8190186002X. Copyright number is 954/03/COL. On that basis, I am propagating for Truth Only Terms, and in this way 12 Jyotir ISBN certificate, and on that basis 175 crore ISBN certificate automatically. Then Adi Shakti Jagadamba Devi Bhagvat and the Durga Sapsati. On this basis 12 Jyotir Jagdamba Mandir, and on that basis this rays are coming from Adi Shakti Jagdamba, and then the each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, the Truth Savior, each united Truth Savior and Truth Saviors, all the Mithila Varshkrit and all the Varshkrit of the different Hindus from north, south, east, west. And then our from 20 into 5 government is 3 time husband, time wife, 6 room, that is Constitution of India, Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat. 12 Jyotir certificate, and on that basis 1 point has been developed, Amit Kumar Jha point. On this basis fiscal creative, the rays are, we have to understand that the democratic rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikund Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. On that basis we are trying to make the document system. Then we have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry is trying to make us understand through the democratic angle from the 31st August 1946, from where the documents of the Clement Attlee is coming, and we are organizing and we are moving on this path. In this path, 6 organized professional people are there who has been working. First is the politician, devoted politicians who have been working without taking money. Now the system has changed because everything is based on the money, because our work is based on the money. Similarly, second, industrial people, devotedly they are working for the India. So profit is going on and everything is moving in the society. Third is the educational Hindu scientist and the press and the lawyers, all are working with this concept. Then women of India, then the truth and non-violence of India, and then the government who is working centrally and state, all are meeting from this point, and on that basis we are trying to understand this concept. Then on that level we are also trying to understand if the concept is accepting trust and faith, which I am trying to propagate. On that basis a constitutional track will be made, means as we have the railway budget and the annual budget, we will make the organized self-employment ministry budget. This organized self-employment ministry budget will be like the constitutional track. Directly when we are taking birth, automatically if we require we can show by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, we will become self-employed government servant. For this I am generating trust between 750 MPs who are working in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha from 26 January 1950 under the election commission certificate, as they are winning the election on the constitutional track, and 4,500 MLAs of different Vidhan Sabha who are on different political party, multi-political party system, they are working under that. We will become their sons and daughters and vote banks by the documentation system, because our income, work, educational certificate will be organized in this organized self-employment ministry. Up till 26 from 26 January 1950 we have organized our electoral roll, that is our photo election identity card from the Election Commission of India, our Aadhaar card from the Aadhaar Card Commission of India, and our PAN card from the PAN card Commission of India, and our passport from the Passport Commission of India. But if we are organizing our income, work, educational certificate by the uniform self-employment showing system based on my table of organized self-employment ministry, in this way our employment will be self-employment government job, and we are working in our from the home we will be working, and automatically it will be self-employment government job. And we are of the different profession, because crores and crores profession are there working in different parts of India. All are organizing by the preamble wise organized employed and preamble wise organized self-employed in this concept, and we are becoming self-employed government servant by the system of Amit Kumar Jha, the Amiteshwarism, which will develop into a organized earner. And my principle is that if 10 rupees we are earning, but that is getting the affiliation from the government, and by the right of educational certificate we can improve more, because the constitutional path is being developed. We will develop the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit sure. We have already finance commission. I have tried to put 30,000 above per month earner and 30,000 per month below earner. Under this table we can divide that whenever in our life if we required any emergency or eventuality, 0 to 18 years we can start, and 18 to 58 years if ever we want the employment, we can start the employment on this basis. Automatically the employment will improve and we will become self-employed government system, and we will sign in front of the 750 MPs when they will trust and faith with us, Amit Kumar Jha, and we will follow the automatically the rules, and 4,500 MLAs. With that we can it is also including the 6 family, the 750 multinational corporation and 4,500 state multinational corporation of Hindus. Similarly, 750 educationists, Hindu scientists, and the legal lawyers and the press on the central level, and 4,500 on the state level. Similarly, on the central level 700 Hindu women, as well as on the state level 4,500 the families who are working, the politician, the industrialists, the educationists, scientists, press, and the legal lawyers. Similarly, the truthful women and the families, and the truth, non-violence, and the government. Automatically, by this system, truth and non-violence is also like that, and the government is also like that. We can make a uniform system. We have railway ticket system. As we have the railway ticket system, similarly this system of employment will make a self-employed government servant automatically by direct ministry connection and direct budget connection. We will be self-employed. This system can be decrease and increase according to the inflation and deflation, repression and boom, according to the business cycle in the economy. We are calling it ministry cycle because it is documented method 130 crore, as we have the Aadhaar card and PAN card. Similarly, on this basis 130 crore will be documented. The work will be same as we are doing the election commission work. In the phase we are doing the election of 90 crore voters. Similarly, in the phase we can administer this organized self-employment ministry by the rays of Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham. Because already we have the existence of the organized self-employment ministry and budget workers, but we have not documented ourselves. And I have also tried to recommend that 12 members, as 1175 crore mandirs are there. 12 mandir I will recommend on the document system in the Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham, and it will be 72. And we will also organize in the worship also, so that the self-employment government remains forever. With Ramnami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, all the Sanatan Dharma Puja we are doing on the Murti basis. Similarly, we will make the 6 pair of Murtis. 5th one, that is each united God and Goddess, infinite God and Goddess are there. 1 pair we will take, so that we can be organized on that path. As 6 already infinite profession are involved in that. All types of politician, all types of industrialists, all types of truth, non-violence, press, and all types of educationists are there in that. All types of lawyers are in that. All types of women, all types of the workers are there. Truth, non-violence, and all types of government employees are there. So by the united method, between 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11 September, we will make 6 pair of this in the form of Shiv Shakti welfare power, live money, live money, Vishnu Lakshmi live money, law education, Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and her non-widow husband, and the Adi Shakti Jagadamba and her non-widow husband, each united Varshkit God and Goddess, the truth saviors, and the government is at this time husband time. Automatically at one point we will shift by the signature method this platform to the Prime Minister and the President. We will call by the name 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan houses, which is meeting at 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan house at New Delhi, and 6 governor houses, which is meeting at the governor house at the state headquarters. We will name it Kailasdham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is welfare power Rashtrapati Bhavan. Vaikundam Kshirsagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is meeting at the Rashtrapati Bhavan at New Delhi. Then we will name it the Satyadham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is law education Rashtrapati Bhavan. Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the family Rashtrapati Bhavan, and each united Varshkit God and Goddess Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is truth savior Rashtrapati Bhavan. And we will call it the government Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is democratic government Rashtrapati Bhavan. And we will make it by the signature to our original Rashtrapati Bhavan at Rajasthana by the seeing this. And automatically at the governor house also on the state level, by this path we will name it the Kailasdham governor house, the Vaikundam Kshirsagar Dham governor house, the Satyadham governor house, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Governor House, the each United God and Goddess Governor House, and the government governors, and we will meet at the governor house. Automatically the power will be transferred to the chief minister and prime minister, and we have to see from the prime minister table house PMO this table and the governor house table, and a constitutional system automatically by the document system will be developed. And as we have election commission of India, we will develop the fiscal earner self work certain cash certain fiscal credit score commission of India on this track. What will happen, we will become self-employed government servant, and we don't have to care, because automatically we will be connected in the ministry. As we will give one Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, the rented office all over India, where we will be connected, and on that basis, on our chair and table, we will put together, and automatically organized working will be developed. I have tried to put the different section of this, like the first of all we have the 22% illiterate people, that is below poverty line. So in that circumstances, one section I have put for the illiterate. Then we have signature known sections, then we have 5th pass sections, then we have 8th pass sections, then we have 10th pass sections, then we have 12th pass section, then we have graduation section, then we have post graduation section, then we have the delayed section, then we have the MPhil section, and then we have the PhD section. On the constitutional tracks, we will try to move in the system, so that automatically the promotion will also come by the signature method, and by the documentation method. The promotion can be given from the below 30,000 if we are working in the regular manner to the above 30,000. Otherwise, by the document system we have made in the organized self-employment, 70-30 ratio has been made. 30% of the Indians earner, Hindus who are earning, they are above 30,000 per month earner. In that 18-12 ratio is there, and below 30,000 per month earner is that is they are the below 30,000 per month earner. So we have tried to organize on this path, and in that phase, when we are moving between 0 to 18 if we require, and 18 to 58 years, we are facing lot of problem in the earning. And the earning is a dear thing to everyone, because salary is dear thing to everyone. There is no constitutional track on this where we can bank. It can be generated by trust and non-violence and unity, and the rays of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. I have been working in this sector from the 31st August 2001, as I thought that the problem is of the employment, not of anything, because if we will be economically strong, less problem will be there, because one office and one employment and regular income is fixed, we can plan on that. Therefore I am saying in the various meeting, this is organized self-employment ministry budget 32 session, that Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast, and Sunday fast, and different types of Ramnami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Shivratri, Savan Puja. These types of vrat we can do, and automatically we can adjust our budget. Because if from my principle, if 10 rupees coming from the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, automatically organized self-employed ministry budget, pension, gratuity, provident fund, DNS, allowance are there. Plus our brothers, 750 brothers of the central level MPs, and 4,500 brothers of the MLAs are attached with us, with that multinational corporation, central level and state level, with that educationist, industrialist, and the scientists, Hindu scientists, and the press, and the lawyers. Apart from this, women, central women and the state level women are attached to us, and truth and non-violence and the government is attached to us. Automatically we can move with the document economy. We have already the capitalist economy and the socialist economy and the mixed economy. We have to understand this. I have tried to put the Aadhaar card into 20 into 5, that is 16.66% of the Aadhaar card into 6 parts, so that we can be idealistic look. We all want to earn more and more. We all want to earn more profit. For this we have to recognize that we all are earning. One earning is fixed, that is from the organized self-employment, ministry ways by the signature from 0 to 18 and 18 to 15. Whenever we are coming, we are joining in this, we can self transfer from this organized self employment ministry to the different areas wherever we are thinking that employment hub is there, because work is flexible. Today the work system is flexible system 24/7. Here also the organized self employment ministry is 24/7. We can, by the constitutional track, we can develop the we can work according to our flexibility, and the excellency of work will be developed, because one money is coming sure. This table is for assumption and for understanding, because by this table we will be able to understand there can be system by the signature of each other, and trust can be generated. That signature will signify that we are giving the affidavit to the Supreme Court that this I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. This is from the government side that this is my earning, and according to that I am developing. And between 30,000 above the per month above earner and 30,000 below earner, if we are working double, extra salary is also coming, and it can be adjusted because every household is requiring the employment, and this can be come by understanding the concept of self-employment government job. And it is the documented system, because by the documented system it will continue, because we are persisting with the system. As we are doing the reservation of the railways, automatically the reservation of the railways is being taken, and we can from anywhere in the India we can confirm it, and on that PNR basis we can enter into the platform and enter into the railway compartment. Similarly, in this basis, on this organized employed, organized self-employed, we can immediately judge our fiscal credit salary, and we will continue with that. And apart from this, the control is in the hand of 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs on the document system, and the similarly our Hindu multinational corporation industries, and the lawyers and the educationists and the scientists and the press and the women and the truth non-violence and the government. Automatically on the democratic system we are putting on the Rashtrapati Bhavan High and the Governor House High, which is linked to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Governor House all over India. And everyone mouth is open in democracy. By the uniform system we are signing the our vote bank is attached to us, and we are moving in the organized way up till from 26 January 1950. This is the 73rd year we are moving in organized way. But one thing is lacking is the self-employment government job system, where the regular income is the lacking, because whenever any eventuality is coming in the job, or any irregular income is coming, or any problem is coming, at that time we don't have the office and don't support of any person individually, we are suffering. In these circumstances, by the document system we are going regularly as family member, we are going to the organized self-employment ministry system. I have also tried to explain the concept on the Sadchayat level, because we have Panchayat, one family of Shiv Shakti family, that is welfare power family, one family is of Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amitabh, that is live money family, one family is of Brahma Saraswati law education, one family is of Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is, and her non-beto husband, that is family and a non-beto husband, one family is of each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, that is each truth savior and truth saviors. Now I am trying to fit this organized self-employment ministry and budget family, which is a documented family. By this method we are entering into the Sadjaya, and from Sadjaya to the 6th room of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. By the document method we will if the trust and faith is generated, and we are able to form in the rented flat in the various capitals and cities, we can sit together according to the chambers we have tried to make on the self-employment level 24/7, and on this basis we can develop a concept of self-employment government job. One regular salary will be definite, because 10 rupees or 5 rupees or whatever we are fixing on the document method, automatically that point will the employment equilibrium point, and the organized self-employment ministry and finance minister will definitely look after that point. On that basis 30 and 70 ratios are there which will be administered, and it is a beautiful democratic concept on which we can progress, because everyone who is moving on the road or wherever they are self-employed government servant, and we can check each other that we have to show our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, because it will keep a constitutional belt with us, employment belt with us, because this is a employment bill. Whenever we are in the young age also, we are dreaming high, we have to acknowledge that what we have to become human capital, and right of educational certificate in capital value is the path of this. And organized self employment ministry and budget is giving opening path, and our prime minister, our council of minister can inaugurate this, our state ministers and chief minister can inaugurate this, and one uniform employment system will generate self employment government job system. And like Gandhiwad, Amit Teshwarwad and Amit Kumar Javed with will be 6 family, and in this we will the prime minister and chief minister will transfer us into the different Rashtrapati Bhavan, Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham and government dham. For the safety, I have tried to make the court martial connection because the rays are directly going to Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham and government dham directly. So in order to that, we are living on this earth in India, and 1175 crore mandirs are already there. In that circumstances, I have tried to pick 12 highest level mandir, so that on the central level and on the state level 12 state level mandirs, that is 72 mandirs on the state level, document which have been we are worshipping in the Sanatan Dharma form. By the document system, we are becoming the medium and representative. They are becoming our father and mother constitutionally with Ramnami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja and Saraswati Puja and different types of puja. We are working on this. So organized self-employment ministry will generate a path by which we will be able to develop a organized path which will lead to the development of India. Because what is there, we are lacking the development path, and on this basis we can transfer, we can do work also, a different type of work, because as we will get the organized office, as we will signature, we will be knowing each other, because lifelong friendship will also develop, because we are working in the organized self employment ministry as in schools and colleges. 10 years or 12 years we are studying in school from class 1 to 12, or in graduation or post graduation we develop a friendship automatically. By self employment government system, we can transfer to Bengaluru or Mumbai or Chennai or Kolkata or New Delhi. Organized self employment ministry friends and development families ties will also develop, because we all are belonging from the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham and government dham family. We all are moving toward the 30,000 above earner. But what is there, if the checking is being done, then 30% people are 30,000 per month above earner, and 30,000 people are below 30,000 earner. If we are acknowledging this fact and moving on this path, what will happen? We will generate a trust and faith, and automatically a fiscal credit salary. We can develop a colony, we can have 1 room 2 rooms rent, because basically economically poor section requires a organized family. On this basis we can develop a system, and this system will generate a employment system all over India, and anywhere we will go we can live in our society, and also we can work in the development society where the industries are working for the profit sake, and they are also doing welfare to us, because they are our brothers. In this brothers and sisters, in this way double salary system will also develop, because one salary we are getting from the organized self-employed, one guarantee scheme is there by the self-employment government job system, and no pressure is from the education side, because already I have tried to put in the organized self-employment ministry right of educational certificate in capital value. What will happen by this right of educational certificate in capital value? We will become human capital. We will do double PhD, double PhD. What will happen? Our the level of our brain will improve, because we can improve, and the fiscal credit salary will also improve. I have tried to grade the promotion from grade 1 to infinite, so that if we are living 90 years or 95 years, we can easily move on that. This organized self-employment system is not very hard. What is that? We have to generate trust and faith, and we have to purchase the Amit Kumar Jha, that is my book, Truth Only Terms, Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget, which is available from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. This Truth Only Terms part is this fiscal credit table, because it is trying to teach us right of pension should be fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organization. We should become documented by signature method, and we should call it 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, and 6 governor house, which will be attached to one governor house, where we have the original governor house and where we have the original Rashtrapati Bhavan. By the document method, we will move on this path. This path is confirmed path by which we are getting self-employment government job. Automatically 100% employment is coming in our work. It is the work which we are doing, whatever truthful work we are doing in this society, and in this way a organized society is also developing, because if we are fixing 10 rupees or 12 rupees or 20 rupees, whatever fixation salary, what will happen? A organized system is developing, because on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance, other types of ministerial benefit we are giving in organized way. In between, below 30-70% economy, we are working double economy. Sometimes job is there, sometimes job is there. Those who are assured worker, those who are permanent worker, they can also be part, because by this way the fixed salary is coming to them, because it is a universal vote bank theory system, where the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, government Dham has been put. By the court martial connection, any person can separate themselves for this 19 years. They have to go and in the police station, and they have to write that I am taking court martial connection. Otherwise the control is in the hand of the 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs and the head prime minister, president and governor and the chief minister, and the transfer is done on that basis in the department of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united department, from 26 January 1947 on the concept of 31st August 1946, from where the document of the Clement Attlee is coming, because it is a united concept where we all want the employment should flourish, we all want our vote bank should be secure, we all want that the regular income should come and self-employment government should come. In these circumstances, we have to understand the value of each other, our respect with each other. Automatically we will be able to form. And in the rented flat, all over cities, we can make the branches of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Rented flat by this in the different sections, like one office of organized self-employment ministry. By our chair and table we can sit there, and on that basis what work we are doing, automatically the generation will develop in organized way, and our leaders will guide us, because the political party present, we are the vote bank of them. Automatically they can visit us and they can give us guidance in their meetings according to that, because their representative will be also in there, because all political party representative will be also there, because all are going to meet after 5 years, as 5 years election is there. Similarly, all are coming in that election and all are working for that. And on the basic level, we are all fiscal credit on the uniform basis. Whatever property in our home, that is our home property, it is not being touched. Only thing is that we are becoming uniform by the document method. In the document method, as we have the railway stations, as we have the uniform railway station for going different states and union territories, that is a uniform system, we are going and coming. Similarly, this organized self-employment ministry is having a uniform system. The 12 Jyotirlingas of the different mandirs and of all the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham and their link, all are meeting at the center, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126, and on that basis automatically it is transferred to New Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras. Information gathered, collected in the Harihar Vidhigyan Lakshmi Shakti station and 6 Hindu born family and stations. Automatically transfers can be done on the basis of this, and the vote bank systems can be developed. We require, it is not so hard system, only thing is requirement of trust and the faith, for which we want that self-employment government system should come, then only it is possible. Otherwise it will be story only, and on that basis we can generate a momentum of employment, because population is too much. If one job is required, 100 people are there for that, and in that circumstances the choice and the motive is not able to be understood, and we are not able to stable at one point. In that circumstances we are also frustrated, as we have one vote is fixed, as we did session from 31st August 1885 till the 31st August 1946, we were able to perform a system, one vote was organized. Now we require one income, work, educational certificate and one educational certificate value to be organized. It is possible only when uniform signature we are doing in front of Amit Kumar Jha and the parliament are taking that and making the validity, and in this way 3 budget system, annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self employment ministry and budget system is coming, and we are becoming self-employed government system, a government system holder, and automatically from the governor house and from the prime minister house and from the president house we are being transferred, from the MP house we are being transferred, and this fiscal credit table will automatically come on the multinational corporation, educationists, scientists, women, and truth and non-violence and government, and on the prime minister and the governor and the chief minister table, political party president table, and this work framework will give us that we are, our work is always complete, because self-funding silver certain cash we have organized, so always our work is complete, and whatever manifesto we are making, that is our manifesto, on that basis we are working. This will be uniform, the uniform work of we all politicians and all industries and all workers who we are working on that, and this is the home, because we all have made mandirs, and we all have tried to develop our culture, and we are all developing our culture according to, there is nothing in that the table can be changed according to the requirements as you are thinking, but the main thing is the documents on which we are banking, the documents, the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, that is the Trishul and Vermilion mark, the Vaikunth Dham, the Chakra and the Vermilion mark of the Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and the Vishnu Puran, the Kamandal, the Vermilion mark, the Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran, the different Hindu writers who have written different subject, and they have tried to develop it. The Adi Shakti Jagdamba, that is Durga Sabji and Devi Bhakti, the Trinetra Vermilion mark, and the each united Varshkrit god and goddess, the different type of Varshkrit god and goddess which we have mandir all over India, in different villages all over India, and the 7 lakh villages of India, the book Vermilion mark, Hindu Varshkrit book, and the Vermilion mark, and the government stamp on which we are working on this. This 6 family has been trying to develop us, and we have marriage, we have done marriage in different families, automatically we are systemized in this system. We require a system, a thread by which we are directly connected to the ministry and budget, the indirect system of the democracy on which we are doing election. In this we are adjusting self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission and election commission. Automatically in our photo election card, we whatever transfer we are getting in Aadhaar card, it is being written, and we are working. And this organized self-employment ministry budget office, as the different cities we are opening, we are sitting there automatically. By this system we are self-employed government servant under this fiscal credit table. It can be increased and decreased according to the inflation, deflation, boom and repression in the economy on the central level and state level. All political parties can have the vote banks on this, because we are connected in the ministry every day, we are going, or the optional way we are going, or on the phone calls that yes you come and we will talk. On this basis we can easily discuss, because we are living in an organized society, and whatever our property is, it is safe, and wherever we are earning, it is safe, as a mobile phone, smartphone, as the railway fare, as it is. Similarly, this organized self-employment ministry is working from 2001, from my house, 31st August 2001, and then in family 6 family form, which I have written in the story, for which 16 to 26 February and 31st August to 11th September I am telling 6 pair of the soil idol we are making, and then worshipping, and automatically the employment is generated, and again putting immersion in the Ganga and the different rivers, so that the continuity of the work, like same like Durga Puja and Ram Puja and different types of puja we are doing. Automatically on this basis the employment will be generated, and we will be benefited, because from my principle, if we are earning 10 rupees also and the government benefit is coming, automatically we are developing a system by which the self-employment is coming, and self-employment government job is a unique system by which we will be able to form a uniform system of organized self-employment ministry. We can self-transfer. One transfer will be done by the Prime Minister on the central level and Chief Minister and the different political party, and one transfer we can easily do. And in the election, at that time we can vote according to our liking, because there is no compulsion, because we all are working, all political members, representatives are also working in that, because self-employment government job is a statusful job, because we are promoting A to Z as our professional improvement is coming, we are shifting to the different profession, and in this way we can develop. We required organized self-employment ministry. We have to come together at Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973600717. We have to purchase truth only terms, and we have to make organized self-employment ministry. We have to make it live. Organized self-employment ministry and budget. We have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget. Thank you.